Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Inn at Rohnert Park. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. When you stay at the Inn at Rohnert Park in Rohnert Park, CA, you can start your day with a mug or two of our complimentary free hot coffee or a morning swim in the outdoor pool. After you start your day with a splash, drive out into town for both business and pleasure. In addition to the plethora of local pubs, restaurants and cafes for you to enjoy, guests often enjoy the chance to try their luck at nearby Graton Resort and Casino. Slots, live poker and a VIP gambling room all await you. For more serious situations that require the utmost professionalism, take advantage of the hair dryer and iron in your rooms before you visit the Rohnert Park Chamber of Commerce. Each of our guest rooms include access to our free Wi-Fi and a 42-inch TV with HBO for all your information and entertainment needs. The night before you head out, you can press your clothes with the iron. Then wake up with our alarm clock and get yourself looking sharp with the hair dryer, and awake with the coffee maker. We also have a microwave and refrigerator in each room for any leftovers or snacks you brought with you. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.